Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get refund on App Store subscription. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you want to get a refund here on your recent purchases or here in the App Store, well, this one is quite easy, but how do we do it? So, first things first is you want to open up your iPhone here and you want to go to your settings. Now, inside your settings here, you want to look for the option or for your name or for your account. So typically it's going to be at the very top. So you want to just click on your name or your profile photo here, and this should redirect you to your Apple account. Now, with your Apple account, you want to go ahead and choose the option here that says media and purchases. Now, usually it's going to be the second section here. So it's going to be under the Find My or above the Sign In with Apple. So it's going to be media and purchases. So go ahead and just select that. So inside media and purchases here, it's going to ask you if you want to sign out, if you want to view your account or cancel. Go and choose view account. Now inside your account, you should be able to see your purchase history. So you want to go and select the purchase that you may want to have a refund on. And from then on, it's going to give you the order details. So what you need to do is you want to go and just click on the report a problem at the very bottom of your screen. Now, this will open up a browser and it should redirect you to the report a problem section. Now, from here, you want to go just fill out some details. So first is you need to answer what can we help you with. So you want to answer, I would like to request a refund. So make sure to select the request a refund. Now, you can go and just select the tell us more section as well and just specify or use whatever is applicable to you. Now, once you've done that, you can go and just click on next, follow the on-screen steps, and you're pretty much good to go. Now, this might take a few days for them to process the refund, and they may reach out to you for further details. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.